Okay, this is the Lego Star Wars, the Dark Falcon. Kit number 75389. This is the unboxing and review of what you get. Hi guys, Ralph here. This Star Wars The Dark Falcon, I have the UCS Falcon, which is way bigger than I can film on here, and we have got a video for that already on the channel. This is part of the Rebuild the Galaxy series, which is, it's like a nice dark twist, like an alternate reality too, and I absolutely love the black Falcon. I've got another one coming soon I need to build, but it's the Kessel Run, but that's more white, very white compared to what the ship actually was. They did a lot of grey on the ship as well. They're lovely. Looks like there's a Death Star laser on there anyway, which is quite interesting. Comes with figures down here: Beach Luke, Jedi Vader, Bounty Hunter C-3PO, okay, Darth Dev, Darth Jar Jar. Finally we get to see Darth Jar Jar, and Darth Rey, which we saw in the Last Jedi film, whichever one it was, with the double lightsaber that flicked open, which is quite weird. Yeah, it's a nice little twist on it. Instead of Luke being a Jedi Master, he just decided just to be a beach bum, and Vader, white suit instead of. Darth Dev, I think, wasn't he one of the characters in one of the Lego series, Lego Adventures? Not quite sure, never watched it. So, the box art. Now, be careful with this. A lot of these boxes open one on the side. They open, the whole front comes up. This doesn't. You've got a nice display on the side if you want to display the boxes. What you must be careful on this, and I didn't, is there's tape there, tape here at the bottom. Pay attention, Ralph. Tape over here and tape over here. I thought this this part was a hinge, and I've ripped off all of this part up here and on here and taped back on again. But there's some lovely box art there. You've got the White Vader, and you got, is that a chamber or something you put Luke in? Gunner turret. And this is almost like a Star Trek mirror universe where everything's just a little bit too dark. So, got a table there. You got Darth Rey. It does look pretty good. It's definitely smaller than the UCS. But it's no way as, yeah, it's not as good as, but I wouldn't not buy this either. So, no point chucking all the pieces out, the lid comes off. So what we have inside is instructions and some labels. We have a nice lot of labels there. There are vents on the back, some more, looks like a picture from the, why is that there? Because the table's there, isn't it? For the chess. Why are they there? Unless it's a computer game instead. Other bits and bats, cool. Very, very thick book here. So, yeah, we're building this similar as the UCS, but nowhere near as complex. But still, we're already on 456, 508. Pages wise, gone past 327. We're on 332 and a lot of pieces. So cool. How many bags we got? I can find out without actually taking all the bags out. 17 bags. 17 bags here of varying complexity. There's the last bag with the dish on. For right at the end, some more green parts. Everything seems like black and green on this, which is quite unusual. Nothing else in here. Got Luke's little body shape there. Again, you make the part, follow the instructions, and you just follow number by number, which is brilliant how they do things nowadays. So lots of work, lots of play. There's plenty of play features on the actual Falcon itself. So these parts will rise up, but I'll do another video on that. We're actually going to build this, and then I'm going to show you exactly what, where, and how this thing works. So, very cool indeed. So 75389, the Dark Falcon. Cool. So I'll be doing a build on this very shortly, and we can see what this looks like when it's fully built. So in that case, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon, consider being a member, consider a donation. Help me out best you can, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.